Bamboo shoots are the edible shoots of several bamboo plant species. They are also called bamboo sprouts. Bamboo shoots have a rich content of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fibers and very low fat. Freshly collected bamboo shoots have a good amount of thiamine, niacin, and vitamins A, B6, and E. They contain high fiber and phytosterols that help reduce fat and cholesterol levels. This dietary fiber also regulates blood pressure and helps treat obesity and some forms of cancer. How can bamboo shoots benefit you? 1. Can help with weight loss. Studies show that bamboo shoots can suppress high fat-induced obesity effectively. The fiber in bamboo shoots has prebiotic properties. It modulates the gut microbiota and improves metabolism. Also, the fiber from bamboo shoots was more effective in suppressing weight gain than other fibers. 2. May help prevent cancer. The lignans present in bamboo shoot fiber are reported to have anti-cancer properties. The shoots also possess phenolic compounds that exhibit antioxidant properties. These also contribute to cancer prevention. The fiber in the shoots may help prevent colorectal cancer too. It can also enhance bowel functions in individuals. 3. Can boost heart health. Bamboo shoots are rich in potassium, a heart-healthy mineral that regulates blood pressure levels. The fiber in the shoots may help lower excess cholesterol levels too. Studies show that pharmaceutical preparations of today are using bamboo shoot extracts for controlling cholesterol. Research shows that the potassium in bamboo shoots can steady your heartbeat, further enhancing your heart health. 4. Help heal wounds. Bamboo shoots are used for cleaning wounds and sores. Studies also show that bamboo leaves can help in cutaneous wound healing. 5. Treat menstrual problems. Regular intake of bamboo shoots was found to reduce problems related to reproductive health in women. The shoots are used by various local tribes to treat irregular menstrual cycle and infertility issues and reduce heavy bleeding post-delivery and labor pain. What makes bamboo shoots worth a try is their nutritional profile. They are quite low in saturated fat and sodium, two major threats to human health today. The shoots also have an incredible nutritional profile. Bamboo shoot recipes for you. Spinach with bamboo shoots. What you need: 1 pound of fresh spinach, 1/4 cup of bamboo shoots, finely shredded, 1/2 cup of peanut or vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Directions: wash the spinach leaves thoroughly under cold water and drain properly. Heat the oil on a skillet on medium-high flame. Cook the bamboo shoots for about 45 minutes, stirring constantly. Add spinach, and stir until they are wilted. Add the salt and sugar. Cook and stir for 2 more minutes. Transfer to a hot platter. Don't add the liquid from the pan.